Bitcoin is doing a fantastic job of rising today, sitting at 107,600. Just got done testing 108,000. We're going to see if it's able to pull through and break through that level right there. But the news is incredible. Now, we're going to be looking at that news in this video. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro. Now, Pakistan might not be one of the largest countries out there, but Pakistan is embracing Bitcoin with the assistance from Michael Saylor's strategy. Now, we're going to briefly go over this news, but I want to talk about a couple ways that we could take advantage of this because, guys, with Bitcoin sitting at 107,700, 107,800, 108,000 here, it is obvious that people are buying. And as a matter of fact, it's not just people, right? Countries across the globe are embracing digital assets. Now, this article goes on to say that Pakistan is reportedly working on making digital assets a major part of its economy. To that end, the country recently hosted a meeting with Michael Saylor, executive chairman of business intelligence company Strategy, holder of the world's largest corporate Bitcoin reserve. CoinDesk reported on Monday. According to the report, officials at the meeting stressed Pakistan's goal of becoming a digital asset leader in the global south with a commitment to regulation, inclusion, and innovation. For his part, CoinDesk added, Saylor praised Pakistan's proactive approach, calling Bitcoin the strongest asset for long-term national resilience. He added that countries like Pakistan have a chance at make strikes in the financial landscape by embracing digital assets early. So guys, if you're sitting there thinking that this is too late, Bitcoin is already at $100,000 per coin. Countries are just now getting started, right? You were way too early if you got in when Bitcoin was trading at $100 or $1,000 and so on. Countries across the globe are now buying in, and we have a major opportunity to get in alongside them. Now, I don't know if Pakistan is going to revolutionize the game, right? But if Pakistan is just the one of first of many countries to embrace digital assets in a future bid for their prosperity, we should be following along. And that is exactly what I am doing. Now, I am buying Bitcoin. You guys can buy Bitcoin out on the KSX exchange. You got a link for it down in the description below. Not only can you buy it, you can trade it on 125x leverage if you want. But I am also buying Bitcoin Bull. Bitcoin Bull only has 13 days left in its ICO, and Bitcoin Bull has already raised $7.1 million in this ICO. Now, if you guys are interested in buying in, you can buy with crypto or buy with card. You simply scan this QR code with the wallet on your phone. Now, I like to scan via Best Wallet, so if you guys want to download Best Wallet, you get a link for that down there in the description. But nonetheless, after you scan, you simply type in how much you want to buy, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, the amazing thing is, if you buy Bitcoin Bull, you're going to get free Bitcoin. So let's talk about how that works real quick. If you buy Bitcoin Bull and you hold it in Best Wallet, so you got to hold it in Best Wallet, right? When Bitcoin hits 125,000, they're going to burn tokens. When it hits 150, you get Bitcoin airdrops. More burns, more airdrops, more burns, more airdrops. Now, the two things that you do need to know is, one, you need to hold it in Best Wallet, right? This is the wallet that they've partnered with. It's multi-chain wallet that allows you to have a Bitcoin address. And you also need to buy during the ICO. Can you really earn free Bitcoin airdrops? Yes. The amount will be weighted according to the number of Bitcoin Bull tokens that you bought during the community sale. So this is not something that you can go out and watch Bitcoin Bull launch and then, I don't know. It's crazy how some people hope that prices go down. But you got to buy it during the ICO, right? And the current price is 0.2565 cents. This token ICO is over in 13 days. So if you guys want that, and trust me when I tell you, right? If Bitcoin is going up to $150,000, $200,000, it's going to cut a lot of retail investors out. And a lot of retail investors are going to be so dismayed that they can never own a full Bitcoin that they're just not going to be as interested in it. But if you jump in now, we get those airdrops. And those airdrops are really going to be worth a lot when Bitcoin is double the current price. So definitely consider this. Look and get all of the information before you guys decide to jump in. But with nearly 10,000 followers out on their X account, these guys are doing an incredible job of not only growing their ICO, but growing their community as well. and I'm very excited that I'm going to be walking away with some Bitcoin airdrops. Let me know what you guys are excited about down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.